Alright, we're in the kitchen for a quick meal and grabbing a few frozen items. I put some avocado oil in the pan and warmed that up nice. Just gave that a little spray. I'm going to take a bag of frozen vegetables, a bag of frozen rice, the rest of my bag of frozen edamame, which is a great source of protein. And I'm gonna let that cook up. Right after about 8 to 10 minutes, after this softens up a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and grab our coconut aminos. This one is a lower sodium, and I always use the cap because that's about a teaspoon, and I do 2 of those. Take our extra virgin olive oil, which is a healthy fat, and just about 2 tablespoons of that. And then I do have some local pear maple syrup, and I'm gonna do about a half a tablespoon in there. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the syrup. And I'm gonna stir that up. So I have veggies, I have a green, I have the edamame, which is a beautiful source of protein. And I can consider this a vegetarian dish, unless of course I want to add some sort of other protein, so additional protein. I do have the EVOO meatballs. I think pineapple teriyaki, that might be delicious in here. Otherwise, if you have pulled chicken, if you've got ground chicken, if you've got lean beef, you can put that in here as well. So those are different options, and that's just a quick meal you can whip up either at home or if you have the ability to do so at the office. And another quick tip or reminder, instead of putting your leftovers in one big bowl, dish them up into smaller serving size bowls before you put them away in the refrigerator. So it's easier for you and your family just to warm it up quickly so you have your serving.